Hi guys, welcome back to NLTI's official YouTube channel. I am Anish Gupta, the founder of National Law Training Institute and currently in my final year at the National Law School Bangalore. ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि as you can see on the screen, we are going to discuss the last 40-day strategy to crack CUET PG LLB examination for entry into the prestigious Faculty of Law at the Delhi University. तो around January end हो गई है already and the exam is scheduled to take place around 15th to 25th March. इनमें से किसी भी डेट पे अनाउंस हो सकता है कि एग्जाम हो रहा है. तो वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट ब्रॉडली अराउंड 40-45 days to crack CUET PG LLB by preparing for it sincerely. So in this video we are going to tell how do you do that, how you prepare sincerely for this exam so that you are one of the few people who make it to the Faculty of Law at Delhi University. So now for everyone who has not yet started their preparation and is still clueless about what this paper is all about and what is the pattern, so the CUET PG LLB exam, commonly known as COQP 11 for all official purposes, has 75 questions. 75 questions into 4 mark का एक question होता है इसमें. So the total marks are 300. Paper is for 300 marks as each question carries 4 marks. So plus 4 for correct answers, 0 for unattempted questions, and there is a negative marking of 25%. That is a -1 for incorrect answers. तो अगर एक question गलत होता है तो you will get a -5 from your score, and the total time you get to attempt the paper is 90 minutes. ये पहले 105 मिनट होता था, but अब time reduce कर दिया गया है and the time now stands at 90 minutes. So you have around some little more than 1 minute for every question. 75 questions है that you have to attempt in 90 minutes. The paper is still very doable. It is not very difficult, and in this video we are going to discuss what your final 40 mindset should be. So the exam will take place in March itself, in the 3rd or the 4th week of March, and less than 2 months remain for this exam. तो अगर अभी तक आपने अपनी preparation शुरू नहीं किया है, this is the absolute right time to start your preparation. इससे पहले अगर आपने नहीं भी किया तो even if you start right now and start preparing for it diligently, I can assure you that you will clear this paper. But अगर इससे भी ज्यादा लेट किया तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So the goal of this video is to let you know where the marks are coming from, the most commonly asked types of questions, the types of sections that are asked in CUET PG exam, and how do you go about preparing for those sections and how to secure them. तो marks कहाँ से आ रहे हैं और कौन-कौन से section से आ रहे हैं और इन sections को cover कैसे करने हैं ताकि आप ये marks अपनी मुट्ठी में ले पाओ, secure कर पाओ. So now the syllabus of this exam is like this. The sections that this exam tests are English language and comprehension. इसमें थोड़ी सी grammar भी आती है. Then you see GK and current affairs, very important bit of the paper. Then you get some logical reasoning and analytical skills, something around blood relation, syllogism, etc. And another very easy but something that cannot be neglected is the section on computer basics. इसमें बहुत easy questions आते हैं but important है क्योंकि ये section सबसे ज़्यादा scoring है if you do even some bit of preparation. So computer basics are also very important. All sections are MCQ. There is no subjective answer writing that you have to do unlike other 3-year LLB exams like NLSAT. इसमें सारा ही objective है, MCQ है, आपको correct answer tick करना है. It's a computer based test. So the exam is conducted as a CBT, not on an OMR sheet but on a computer screen. तो आपको computer screen पर correct option tick करना है. So now we saw what sort of sections are there. English, GK, logical, computer basic, logical reasoning, quantitative techniques included है. तो English में आपको cover क्या क्या करना है, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. और क्योंकि अगर जब बच्चा start कर रहा है प्रेपरेशन तो उन्हें पता नहीं चलता है कि प्रेपरेशन शुरू कैसे करें. तो दिस वीडियो विल गिव यू अ हेड स्टार्ट और गिव यू एन आइडिया ऑफ वेयर डू यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट योर प्रेपरेशन फ्रॉम. तो इंग्लिश में सबसे पहले आपको ग्रामर कवर करनी है अपनी, और ग्रामर में आता है टेंसेस एंड प्रेपोजिशंस, पैराजंबल्स, इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस, कॉमनली कंफ्यूज्ड स्पेलिंग्स, inference and assertion reasoning. So these are the most frequently asked question types in the English section of CUET PG LLB. There are around 15 to 20 questions that are asked in the English section, so it becomes important. Everyone has done grammar in their 1st to 5th standard, but अगर आपको आपके concepts brushed up नहीं है तो it is very important and it is highly suggested that you revise your English language basics specifically pertaining to grammar including tenses, parajumbles, idioms and phrases. So English में यहाँ से marks आ रहे हैं, and what you have to do for this is watch some good YouTube videos, watch NLTI's videos, or you can join NLTI's course to cover all the basics of English language. Now coming to GK and current affairs, very important, both contemporary और current GK and static GK. सबसे ज्यादा questions GK section में से ही आते हैं. So what you have to do for current affairs is जून 2025 से लेके फरवरी 2026. तो जून दैट इज लास्ट ईयर, आपको ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 9 मंथ्स की जीके कवर करनी है फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर्स जून, दैट इज जून 25 टू दिस ईयर्स फरवरी. If you are a good student and you want to stand out, at least cover GK from मार्च 2026 ऑल्सो, तो मार्च के पहले 8 से 10 दिन की जीके भी आपको पढ़ के जानी चाहिए, बट एटलीस्ट दिस इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल, दैट इज जून 25 टू February 26 की ऑल करंट अफेयर्स नॉलेज, be it the Air India crash, be it any elections that took place, be it any free trade agreement that is signed between India and any other country, कोई वॉर हुई है, थाईलैंड की वॉर हुई है, यूएस की वॉर हुई है, तो आपको सब पता होना चाहिए। फ्रॉम दिस ड्यूरेशन दैट इज जून 25 टू February 26 यू हैव टू एग्जॉस्टिवली कवर ऑल पर्टिनेंट इवेंट्स। जो भी इवेंट स्टैंड आउट करते हैं, जो भी इवेंट वाइडली रिपोर्ट हुआ है, उसको आपको कवर करना ही करना है। एंड जस्ट हेडलाइंस आर नॉट इनफ, समटाइम्स द क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट जस्ट हेडलाइंस बट इट गोज डीप इनटू द हेडलाइन। फॉर एग्जांपल, यू माइट नो हु द रिपब्लिक डे चीफ गेस्ट फॉर दिस ईयर वाज, बट यू माइट आल्सो वांट टू नो उसका बैकग्राउंड, वेयर इज शी फ्रॉम, why was she invited, what is her current designation। तो आपको सब डिटेल पता होनी चाहिए फॉर एवरी सिंगल इवेंट। फॉर एग्जांपल, एयर इंडिया क्रैश, इट इज नॉट सफिशिएंट टू नो दैट द क्रैश हैपेंड on a flight that was traveling from Ahmedabad to London, but you also need to for example know the aircraft type, ki aircraft was from Boeing, how many people were on board, how many sole survivors were from there, sole survivor ki country of residence kaun si thi। You need to know every particular event in detail। There are around 5 to 10 questions from current affairs in the CUET PG LLB। So the trick in current affairs is that 90% of the students will correctly answer the obvious questions। तो आपको भी, अगर आप भी ज्यादा सीरियसली प्रेप नहीं करोगे, you will be able to mark at least 4 to 5 questions without fail, जो कि बहुत ही obvious questions होंगे and everyone will be able to answer those। But the trick is getting the niche ones right। कई questions ऐसे होंगे जो 90% लोगों को नहीं आते होंगे और सिर्फ 10% लोगों को आते होंगे। अगर आप उन 10% लोगों में से हो जिन्होंने अच्छे से करंट अफेयर्स कवर किए, then this is your chance to get a lead among your peers and score great in this current affairs section and achieve a higher chance of clearing the cutoff and getting into campus law center। So you have to maintain a consistently updated notebook। जो भी event हो रहा है, make sure you write about it। Keep updating a diary or a note or a notebook that you are maintaining। Even if you are maintaining digital notes, keep updating it regularly। Do not rely on redundant information। Now static GK। Firstly we talked about current affairs जो आपको 2025 जून से लेके अभी तक करने हैं, but the static GK bit of general knowledge is also very important। Static GK is जो पहले हो रखा है, that is not current। और इसमें क्या क्या आता है? Constitution law basics, कब constitution बनी, किसने बनाई, कौन ड्राफ्टर्स थे, कब इन्फोर्स हुई, कब इन इफेक्ट आई। हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी सब पता होना चाहिए। when was let's say Bihar separated, when was Jharkhand separated from Bihar, India's geography, India का border कितनी countries के साथ है, all of these things you should know। Books and authors, important authors and books का idea आपको होना चाहिए। अगर कोई recently किसी popular author ने कोई नई book release किया, you should know that। International organizations like WHO, World Health Organization, there was a recent news that Trump has exited or America has exited the World Health Organization, so it becomes an important topic for you। Similarly, World Trade Center, World Trade Organization, United Nations, UNESCO, अभी news में NATO भी बहुत news में because of the US Greenland issue। So all these international organizations become important। Then you need to know static of politics and governance, governor's powers, president's power, vice president, high court judge, supreme court judge, something about important political authorities also। And then government schemes, abhi recently there was a scheme on VGB RAM, then there was a UGC guidelines that came out, so you need to know about important government schemes also। So again around 15 to 20 questions are asked with 3 to 4 from each topic। मतलब ये topics तो पक्का आएंगे ही आएंगे। The number of question might vary, but you can be sure that there will be questions, there will be at least one question from these 6 topics। So properly cover these topics because they are bound to be seen in this year's CUET PG LLB, because this paper is one of the most stable, reliable and consistent one। इसमें कोई ज्यादा सरप्राइजेस नहीं आते हैं। तो ये सब टॉपिक्स पिछले इजीली 5-10 साल से आ रहे हैं, तो इस साल भी आने हैं और बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस है। What you can do is you can supplement your knowledge with compendiums। For example, NLTI releases its monthly GK compendium called GK Gazette। तो उसमें हम सब कुछ कवर करते हैं, not just the current affairs but also static GK। तो अगर कोई टॉपिक इन न्यूज है, उसका हम static also we cover in detail। So it's very important that you rely on a compendium similar to the NLTI GK Gazette। Now we come to LR, logical reasoning, another name given to quantitative techniques or quantitative aptitude। So quants also come in a good number in CUET PG LLB। Around 5 to 10 questions come from the math section। Types of questions: arithmetic, basic, calculation। Then most important questions are from percentage, profit loss, simple interest। इसको मैं डिवाइड करूं, अगर इसको मैं इसके डेरिवेटिव पर लेकर जाऊं, तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, simple interest etc. are primarily derivatives of ratio, proportion, percentages and averages। So the most important topics for you for your maths preparation are ratio proportion, percentages and averages. Then work and time, geometry and mensuration, clocks and calendars, sets, permutation and combination. ये आपका लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का पार्ट हो गया. बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आपको अगर अपनी प्रेप शुरू करनी है अभी फॉर CUT PG LLB, स्टार्ट बाय वाचिंग कॉन्सेप्ट क्लासेस फॉर 3 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैथ्स टॉपिक्स: percentages, ratio proportion and averages. Now solve questions in a focused manner, particularly with regard to your weak areas. When you start watching concept classes or when you start watching solving questions, you will understand your weak areas. So it is important that you first focus on your weak areas before moving on to newer topics. Now, analytical reasoning also forms part of logical reasoning. There can be questions on blood relations, analogy, series identification, directions, classification. So it is very important that you do daily practice of AR. क्योंकि एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें अगर आपने डेली प्रैक्टिस नहीं की, 5 days डाउन द लाइन और 10 days डाउन द लाइन, यू विल फॉरगेट द ट्रिक और द शॉर्टकट दैट यू लर्नड or understood to solve questions on analytical reasoning like puzzles, blood relations, syllogisms, etc. So there are around 10 questions on logical reasoning. So make sure that you cover it in with proper sincerity. Now we come to computer basics, one of the highest scoring section of CUT PG LLB क्योंकि बहुत ही simple और basic questions आते हैं in this section. Some questions are like which is the shortcut for copy and paste. So Control C, Control V, everyone almost knows that these are the shortcut for copy and paste. Sometimes the question is asked, what is the motherboard of a laptop, otherwise known as, or what is known as the heart of the laptop, or something like that. So very simple questions are asked. Topics are around hardware and software. What is the difference between hardware and software? Input output devices, pen drive, memory card में क्या difference है? Operating systems, which is the latest operating system of Microsoft, MS Office, internet and email, cyber security and shortcut keys. Very simple section. बट अगेन वेरी हाई स्कोरिंग. बट आपको थोड़ी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं दैट यू निग्लेक्ट दिस सेक्शन एट ऑल एंड सिंपली गो ब्लैंक इन द पेपर. अगर आपने इस पे थोड़ा सा भी एफर्ट डाला है तो इट इज वेरी रिवॉर्डिंग. तो मेक श्योर दैट यू डू नॉट स्किप बेसिक्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस. इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्कोर इन दिस सेक्शन. नाउ स्कोर मैक्सिमाइजेशन, बेसिकली यू हैव टू फोकस, give your time more on difficult questions of quant or math and English and spend less time on computer basics and GK. तो जो time आप GK में और computer basics के questions से save करोगे, spend that time on quants और maths, क्योंकि almost everyone will be able to score well in GK section and the computer section, but not everyone will be able to score good in the math section. So you have to maximize your score by rationing it, spend less time on easy questions, one-liner questions of GK and computer, and spend more time on difficult questions of math. Now rely on a very historic और वेल नोन और द मोस्ट क्रेडिबल टेक्निक ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. एलिमिनेशन में करना क्या है कि अगर आप 4 ऑप्शंस है और उसमें से आप कंफ्यूज हो कि आपको करेक्ट आंसर नहीं पता है, तो अप्लाई दिस टेक्निक ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली टू स्पॉट प्लेस होल्डर्स लाइक एक्सेप्ट, हाउएवर, एटसेट्रा. समटाइम्स होता क्या है, ऑथर एक फ्लो में चल रहा है बट देन द ऑथर इज ट्राइंग टू मेक एन आर्ग्यूमेंट और समथिंग चेंजेस और द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द पैसेज चेंजेस एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द पैसेज चेंजेस बाय these words like accept, however, etc. For example, passage might be saying lion is the king of the jungle, however he is also nothing when it comes to his female companion. So this is when the entire tone of the passage changes. You have to spot all these placeholders and important buzzwords like accept, however, etc. Then after looking at the answer options, determine whether extreme answers outside of reasonable range are even probable. Sometimes answer options are like dash 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 and it uses words like most or always or never. These are the answer options that are very extreme in nature and cannot be the correct answers. So whenever you see an extreme answer option including words like almost, never, always, they are not going to be your correct answer option in 90% of the cases. Now check if output is in desired units, especially for logical reasoning. Sometimes the answer option might require you to calculate a percentage, but the answer option is in a fraction or a ratio proportion. So that helps you eliminate the answer option because the output is not in the desired unit. आपको percentage चाहिए थी, but answer option is giving you a ratio or a fraction. So it easily gets eliminated that this cannot be the answer option. And confirm option validity with basic knowledge required to answer the questions. Again, apply your common sense, apply the elimination technique, see if there is an extreme option, see if the answer option is in the desired output range, and if not, eliminate the option and you will be able to at least reduce or cut down 2 answer options, and then it depends on your guesswork and your luck to choose the correct answer option among the 2 remaining. After spotting the above, decide whether to eliminate and save time or not. After eliminating a couple of options, you still can decide whether you want to take a chance among the remaining two options and select one of the options, or even if you want to leave the question unattempted, that is your choice. So the conclusion of this session is that with just 40 days left, there is minimal time left. So what you have to do to improve your chances of cracking CUET PG LLB is that you have to start from scratch as an instructor and continue previous study regimen with supplementation of these aspects. तो जो भी हमने इस वीडियो में आपको बताया, how to start your preparation or what is the paper pattern or what are the most expected question stems or types in the paper, do not disrupt your existing study regimen, rather supplement it with this knowledge. अगर अभी तक आप अपना एफर्ट गलत चीजों पर डाल रहे हो, तो after this video make it a point that you focus on the most expected and the highest frequency questions that are usually asked in the exam. So instead of focusing on topics that you know will not be asked in the paper or that are not covered here, devote your energy here so that you see maximum output in terms of the score that you get in the CUET PG LLB exam. So that's it from this session. Hope you found this helpful, and hope for the next 40 to 45 days you will inculcate all the advices and the suggestions given in this video. So that's all from this video. Hope you found it useful and you will study on the lines of what we just advised you to. We will keep coming up with more such videos to help aspirants like you prepare for 3-year LLB examinations. Till then, focus on your preparation, keep doing what you are doing, and we look forward to seeing you in the most reputed colleges of the country. Thank you.